guys, I'm Ravikiran. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm back with another car, the Tata Nexon 1.5 diesel version. So without getting late, let's get into the video. Let's see what are the features this car has, and let's talk about the under price and its competitors. So each and everything will be addressed in this single video. So do watch the video till the end. And those are watching my videos for the first time, please click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you will get my notifications immediately when I upload a video. So let's get into it. So before getting into the video, let me thank Tata Motors Adilabad for providing me this vehicle. So now let me give you a quick walk around of this one. This is the new color foliage green, which looks exactly same like an EV model. So as you can see the triple arrow design below, so this almost looks similar to EV vehicle, and the design got refreshed, and I'm going to tell you each and every details that have been changed in this new BS6 version. So let me give you a quick walk around of this one. So this is how the side part looks like. You have got a white color finish on the side, and if you want dual tone, even you can buy that one as well. And this is how the rear exactly looks like with the Nexon split rotors. This is the left side of the car. You got a fuel lid on the left side. Coming to the front section, you got Tata logo with surrounded black piano finish, and you got triple arrow design with a lower silver contrast with that. And coming to the headlights, you got projector headlamps with an halogen reflector as well, and this is the DRL with integrated turn signals. So I'll be turning on the lights as well, so do wait for that. And these are the fog lamps with a silver garnish. And coming to the side part, you got Nexon logo placed here. And coming to the main engine, so this car has 1.5 liter Revo torque engine which produces almost 108 bhp at 260 Newton meters of torque. And this car has a fuel tank capacity of 44 liters, where you can expect a mileage somewhere around 16 to 18. So according to the customer mileage as per BS4 vehicle. So as this is a BS6 one, the engine got very refined, and you can expect somewhat more fuel efficiency. So this entirely depends upon your riding style. And coming to the braking system, you got anti-lock braking system with electronic brake distribution, and you got front disc and rear drum. So you are not getting rear disc on this Tata Nexon. And let me get into the rear. So this is the roof rail, you can see. And coming to the rear part, you can see the rear defogger, rear wiper, and you got Tata logo surrounded with white finish. So this color is actually available in two colors like dual tone. So if you want a white color roof, that model will be also available in that. And you got rear camera, Tata Nexon logo, got rear parking sensors with park assist, and rear camera also has rear parking guidelines. And these are the main additions. So these are the new reflectors that has been added in this BS6 variant, and this is a new LED tail lamp with an halogen indicator. And coming to the side, fuel lid is placed here. Now let's get into the interior and see the interior features. So this is the exact interior panel. Looks very neat. The color contrast is very good, like white with black. And this is the interior. So you got all new instrumentation cluster. So this is the key fob, lock, unlock, and follow me lights and boot open. So let me turn on the engine. You got start stop button as standard on this one. So this is an top second variant, so this is not the top variant. So top variant comes with a sunroof, but this is a top second variant, this doesn't have any sunroof. The temperature is very hot outside. Let me turn on the AC. And this is the all new digital instrumentation display, where you can see digital speedometer with odometer, trip A, trip B, instant fuel gauge. And if you see the left hand side corner, you can see the RPM meter. On the right hand corner, you can see the fuel gauge. On the upper right, you got car engine temperature. So let me rev the engine, and you can see the RPM meter rising. So this is how the RPM meter looks. And you got all basic functions. So as I said, this is the top second variant. You don't get any cruise control on that, and you don't get any functions to control the interior display. So coming to the touchscreen, you got all basic functions like Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, radio, phone setup, Bluetooth controls, and you got touch AC controls as well with park assist, reverse camera. So each and every that basic function that you need is available on this touchscreen. And coming to the AC, you got automatic climate control function with individual buttons as well, as you can control the AC from the touch screen as well as the manual buttons. So these are the controls for changing the AC vent position and the rear defogger, front defogger, and you got fog light function, central locking, and boot unlock function is placed here. So this is a button to unlock the rear boot. And coming to the transmission, this has 6-speed gearbox with 1 reverse, and you got driving modes as well, as you can see, city mode, eco mode, and sport mode. So these 3 are the driving modes that are available in Tata Nexon. So let me change the driving modes.
Sport drive mode activated. Economy drive mode activated.
Coming about the seats, you got bucket seats, and coming to the left side door handles, you got piano black finish, and you got a place to keep your umbrella, and you got a place to keep water bottle. And coming to the glove box, so you have cool glove box which has plenty of options. So there is a large amount of space where you can keep your cups or any cooled beverages. So it has a large amount of place when compared with other models, so you can store large amount of stuff in it, and you can even keep your bottles so that they get cooled. And if you can see the design, this is all the triple arrow design, so almost the interior looks same as an Nexon EV. So this is one of the premium touch to that. And if you can see the armrest, so this is the armrest, and this is a handbrake function, and this is a place to keep your water bottles. To the right side door, same functions, they have umbrella holder as well as water bottle holder. And let's get into the back side. So this is about the rear. You got rear AC vents. So this is a rear space that can be accessible for the rear person who sit in the back side. And you got AC controls as well. So you got 60-40 split seats with Isofix child seats and rear tray as well. This is the button to open the boot. So this is all about the features of the Tata Nexon. Now let's talk about the comparison with other cars. So basically there are 4 cars totally in this price category, like 10 to 14 lakhs. So from the Tata you got Tata Nexon, from the Honda you got Honda WRV, from the Hyundai you got Hyundai Venue, and from the Maruti you got Brezza. So comparing with all the models, so Tata has done good safety values, like you got very high safety standards, you got 2 airbags as standard, and safety, if you are really concerned about the safety, then Tata Nexon is the car. And even you got accessible features as well, so basically what a person needs, so all the features you have got in this car. And coming to the price point, this car is priced at rupees 9 lakhs to 14 lakhs depending upon the models. There are various variants in this model. So Tata Nexon, like from 1.5 you got petrol models as well, petrol 1.2, Revotron engine. So this is an Revo Torque 1.5 diesel engine. Prices will be changed depending upon your location. So you have to contact your local dealership, and those who are living near to Adilabad can definitely contact Tata dealership, Tata Motors Adilabad. And if you want any good deals, you can even refer my name. These are the cars which are in direct competition with Tata Nexon. So if you want to buy a safest car, then definitely you have to consider the Tata Nexon. So if you want more features, even if you can opt for other cars, basically this car also has all the features like sunroof in every top model. So this is all about the Tata Nexon, and a small ride review will be available in next video. So do watch that video as well. Let me turn on the hazard lights. I just wanted to show you hazard lights, how the indicators are integrated in the DRL system. So this is how the DRL looks like. So DRL is integrated with turn signals. So this is how the turn signal looks. This is all about the Tata Nexon. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because new content will be coming up in coming days. So do follow my channel, and those are watching my content for the first time, click the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications. And even you can follow me on Instagram as well. My Instagram ID is Ravikiran Kasturi. So you can message me in that if you want to talk to me. So see you in another video. Until then, bye. I'm Ravikiran signing off.